おはようございます。
おはよう。Good morning.
Good morning. They want us fiancés. Because we're fiancés. Yeah. Mosquito.
Sounds good.
2km 先左方向です。
大丈夫？あ。
Okay. Now you get to pick.
Okay. Ready? Oh, そしたらこっちで。
Ah. Waterfall. Hold that one. our wish is for a beautiful and eternal friendship.
This is lunch.
Huh?
This is lunch.
This is not lunch, this is the route we're going, and then we can...
Wow! Hidari! Left.
Hidari? Oh!
Pancake! Wow! We made it on time.
5 minutes to go.
Inside out. Forgot that it's called different. I heard okay. Cardがないとできない。501. That sounds like a corner room. It sounds like a corner room. It sounds like a corner room. あ、違った。邪魔します。Wow. Got it. Oh my god. No. Wow. What? Yeah? This is so pretty. Shower. Oh, nice bathtub. 珍しいね、洗面所がそこにあるの。
Anything in between that I should be.
Eu já cansei de te chamar pra sair de casa, mas você continua com essa enrolação. Já cansei de te chamar pra sair de casa, você só continua. Eu já notei a minha que você pediu, mas só tinha outra coisa que eu Eu já cansei de te chamar pra sair de casa.
Never seen you finish story.
Like this, né? Tcharam! We're ready.
Sure, I saw him. Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
どっちにしようかな。こっち。Oh, first thing in the morning. Okay. What's that one? Kuchisho.
A little different than all the rest. I'm quite old-fashioned where I had sometimes played chess. And when I'm out, I'm looking for that vintage fling. But all complexions that I adore, so hard to find and seem impossible to score. So
Dress. Good morning, gorgeous. It is day 2 of, I don't even know if I did an intro for the beginning of the vlog.
but everyone's such a bore. And out of a sudden, you came through the door. At the next table, you're whisking neat. The lights were dimmed as our eyes met and you saw me. And forevermore.
Hair, doing my makeup for the day. I don't think I'll do anything much different from yesterday, but yeah, I'm here to give you some updates. Yesterday evening we arrived Miyazaki Prefecture. We're in the city center and we got pancakes, and after that we took a walk around the town. We went to the library, we took a walk to the park, saw the sunset, and what else did we do? And then after that we had dinner at, the name of the place, I think it was Casa Blanche or something like that. Really nice. It was like a 5-course meal and we had wine. I came home and just passed out. But today, as you saw on the multiple choice that Isaiah gave, we are going to an outdoor museum. And before that, oh, are you naked? Okay, you're naked. Okay, so today's plan, according to Isaiah, is we're going to an outdoor museum. I forgot what island we're going to, but I remember him saying something Shima last night when he was talking to the chef. But we're going to an outdoor museum, and before that we're gonna go and grab some coffee. I'm really looking forward to the day.
I'm so straight.
Okay, I'm moving it. There's a there.
핑크 너다.